History in motion. China's new train station opens, dwarfing entire cities. Flashed across TV screens this morning. Excitement buzzed in the air as thousands gathered for the grand debut. Cameras panned over a sea of waving flags, capturing crowds waiting for the very first departure from the station. News anchors described it as a new chapter in China's high-speed journey. The scene was electric. Reporters hurried through the bustling plaza, eager to capture the energy of opening day. Drones hovered overhead, providing stunning aerial shots. The crowd's anticipation grew as officials prepared to cut the ribbon. A sleek high-speed train gleamed on the platform, ready for its inaugural run. Suddenly, a cheer erupted as the station's giant digital clock struck 10. Fireworks burst into the sky, marking the official start. The world watched in awe as China opened its most ambitious train station yet, a symbol of progress, speed, and national pride. Located at the heart of Zhengzhou, in central China's Henan province, the new Zhengzhou South train station commands attention. Its footprint covers more ground than many entire towns. The station's main building stretches nearly 1.5 kilometers, longer than 15 football fields laid end to end. That's bigger than the downtown area of some European cities. Inside, the main waiting hall alone can hold over 20,000 people at once. That's the population of a small city gathered under one roof. The station sprawls across multiple levels, each dedicated to a different kind of traveler: commuters, long-distance passengers, and even high-speed cargo. Outside, wide boulevards and green plazas welcome visitors. There are roadways for taxis, buses, and bikes. Every form of transport meets here. Massive digital screens guide travelers through the maze, ensuring no one gets lost in the vast space. From a distance, the station looks like a futuristic city of its own, built from glass, steel, and light. Its sheer scale is hard to believe until you see it with your own eyes. Why does China need such gigantic train stations? The answer starts with people. China is home to over 1.4 billion people, and cities like Zhengzhou are growing fast. Every day, millions travel between cities for work, school, or family. Trains are the backbone of this movement. Bigger stations mean more trains, more passengers, and fewer delays. Rapid urban development also shapes the need for these superstations. New business districts and neighborhoods rise around transport hubs. A station is no longer just a stop, it's the heart of a new city zone. The government wants to make travel easy, efficient, and future-proof. China's focus on high-speed rail demands advanced infrastructure. Trains can reach speeds over 350 kilometers per hour, so stations must handle the flow smoothly. Large stations allow for more tracks, wider platforms, and safer boarding. Finally, these stations are symbols. They show the world that China is a leader in engineering and transport. Each new opening is a national event, inspiring pride and excitement. Walking into Zhengzhou South train station feels like entering a futuristic palace. Your first stop is a vast, sunlit atrium with soaring ceilings and glass walls. Natural light floods the space, creating a welcoming atmosphere. The polished floors gleam, reflecting the colorful digital signs that guide you through the journey. At the ticketing area, sleek self-service kiosks line the halls. Passengers tap screens to buy tickets in seconds. No long lines, no hassle. Friendly staff help those who need it, and announcements echo gently, calling travelers to their trains. Nearby, travelers relax in comfortable seating areas, sipping coffee from trendy cafes or browsing through convenience stores. The platforms are just as impressive. Wide, safe, and spotless, they can handle dozens of trains at once. Every area is monitored by smart cameras and digital systems, ensuring security and smooth operation. Shops, restaurants, and even art galleries fill the corridors, making the station a place to enjoy, not just pass through. High-tech touches are everywhere. Interactive maps help you find your way. Mobile charging stations keep devices powered. The station even has its own app, offering real-time updates and directions for every traveler. The story behind Zhengzhou South train station's construction is one of determination and collaboration. Planning began 5 years ago with architects, engineers, and city officials working side by side. They mapped out every detail, from the flow of foot traffic to the placement of solar panels on the roof. Thousands of workers arrived from across the country. They worked in shifts around the clock, braving harsh winters and blazing summers. Safety was always a priority. Crews used cranes to lift massive steel beams into place, while teams below poured concrete for foundations that could support the enormous structure. Innovation sped up the process. Prefabricated parts were built off-site and delivered just in time for assembly. Digital models help teams visualize the building and avoid costly mistakes. Project managers coordinated everything, from equipment deliveries to lunch breaks. Despite challenges, the station rose ahead of schedule. Workers celebrated as the final glass panels went in. Their pride still shines through every detail, from the smooth escalators to the clean, sunlit halls. Life in Zhengzhou has changed dramatically since the station opened. Commuters now get to work faster and with less stress. Trains arrive on time, and there's always space to sit or stand comfortably. Families reunite more often, as travel between cities has become easier and, cheaper. Local businesses are thriving. Shops and cafes in and around the station see thousands of customers daily. Hotels, taxi services, and delivery companies have all grown. The station has turned the area into a bustling hub of activity. New neighborhoods have sprung up nearby, filled with apartment buildings, schools, and offices. The station acts like a magnet, drawing investment and people. Jobs have been created, not just in travel, but in every sector. Most importantly, the station connects Zhengzhou to the rest of China. People here feel closer to distant cities. For them, the future feels bigger and brighter than ever before. Zhengzhou South train station is more than massive. It's also a marvel of technology and sustainability. Solar panels line the roof, generating clean energy that powers lights and air conditioning. Rainwater is collected and filtered to water the landscape plazas outside. Inside, smart sensors adjust lighting and temperature based on the number of people present. Escalators slow down when not in use to save electricity. Recycling bins are everywhere, with smart waste sorting systems that keep the station clean and green. Digital ticketing and facial recognition speed up security checks, making travel safer and easier. High-speed Wi-Fi is available everywhere, and charging points keep travelers' phones and laptops powered on the go. These features set new standards for train stations. They show that progress can be both big and responsible, blending comfort with care for the planet. How does Zhengzhou South compare to other famous stations? It stands tall among the world's largest, bigger than New York's Grand Central or London's Waterloo. Its design rivals Tokyo's Shinjuku for efficiency and Paris's Gare du Nord for beauty. But what makes it unique is its blend of scale, technology, and green design. Unlike many older stations, Zhengzhou South is built for high-speed rail from the ground up. More than just a hub, it's a showcase of what modern transport can be. Its waiting halls are more spacious, its tech more advanced, and its environmental features more ambitious. Travelers from abroad are amazed by the speed and comfort. International reporters have called it a gateway to the future. It's a new icon on the map, setting a benchmark for stations worldwide. The station's bold approach is already inspiring projects in other countries. It proves that when it comes to moving people, China is leading the way. The opening of Zhengzhou South train station is more than a local event. It's a sign of China's vision for the future. The station is a bridge between cities, cultures, and technologies. It shows what's possible when ambition meets teamwork and innovation. For China, this is just the beginning. More mega stations are planned, each designed to serve millions and push boundaries. The lessons learned here will shape projects around the world, inspiring cities to think bigger and greener. The station's impact will last for generations. It makes life easier for millions, powers economies, and sets an example in sustainability. China's message is clear: the future is fast, connected, and full of promise. As travelers board their trains and race toward tomorrow, the world watches and wonders what grand project will come next.